Good morning, y'all. It's been so long since I made a YouTube video. It's literally been a year and some change since we moved out here. And I think that was like one of the last videos I recorded. I was watching an old YouTube video of me 5 years ago, and I was doing a motivational speech. Child, I took it down. Well, I put it private so nobody can see it. But I motivated the hell out of myself, okay? Because that just made me want to get back on here and start recording again. Like, just record. But this weekend is going to be a little fun. Tonight we're going to the Denver Nuggets game, just something to do. And then tomorrow we're going to DIARIES concert, Rod Wave concert. I need to get ready. It's currently 10 o'clock. We're going to brunch. I wanted to do my hair and all that. I don't think it's gonna get done. But yeah, let me go get ready because, child, I'm so slow. It makes no sense. Hello?
Hey, we outside.
All right, here I go.
You ready?
Yeah. Yo, I'm literally, I had to hurry up because clearly we're about to go and I didn't get to do my hair. So I just had to put this wig on. I'm wearing my self-sufficient sweatsuit. I literally had the black one on yesterday and I didn't want to wear this today, but as y'all can see, I'm rushing. And I'm wearing, my force. You don't wear shoes in the house, but I didn't wear these yet. So I'm literally trying to get better with time management. Like, it's so bad. Why do I get blamed for moving slow when time be moving fast? It don't make sense. It's not fair.
Oh, you good? Nah, you good. Go ahead, move me back around.
I'm about to say the camera really do the work for you, but
Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky.
We are at Mimosas.
Anxiety living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, sugar, be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get payback. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom, per day, pop out.
Nah, hey, I can't go to Rod Wave concert and be straight, so we might as well.
Oh yeah, yo! I gotta update the vlog. Rod Wave, you really disappointing us, bro. TBA. It was supposed to be on Sunday, and yeah. I was just telling them we was going to Rod Wave concert too.
Rod Wave.
That's great.
Got big stacks coming got a little max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money.
he did count.
Escape works.
Annoying.
Oh, how did he get in?
Alright now, bro. Yo, he's anybody. Did they just buzz you in? Wait, he.
Oh, there we go.
Sounds like he did. Yo, Craig will be confused.
I'm scared. Just because I watched that movie.
No, I never did.
Hello.
You know, so we're gonna have to wait. It's gonna be a wait
How long?
till like either 2:45, 3 o'clock.
Okay, so we can't record in there, so I'm putting my camera back in the car. Yo, I can't believe that the Rod Wave concert is postponed. Like, they done flew all the way out here just for it to be postponed. That's crazy. But yeah, got to do this for a little hour or whatever. Our plan's really messed up. It's really messed up, but we gonna figure it out. We gonna have a good time this weekend still. DIARIES, I'm really upset. Really upset, DIARIES. I don't know what we're doing after this. We still going to the game later, so at least we got that. But other than that, I don't know. We just gonna go with the flow. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. Yo, we rich. Imagine if this was real, yo.
Hey, yo, come on, set it off.
Hey, Mr. Sexy Man.
What you call me that? I feel like you call, that's the name you call Milo.
I call Mr. Milo.
Mr. Man.
I call him Mr. Baby.
Mr. Man.
I call Milo Mr. Baby.
I'm not Mr. Man if you call him Mr. Baby.
Alright, my fault. What did you name this?
Big Crit.
Big Crit, the biggest. The biggest.
Ready, guys? We got the diamond. We didn't get caught by the police.
We got the right. That's crazy.
How y'all rate the escape room?
I say it was a 10 out of 10. It just was hard, but
I think
that was the hardest one. She said.
honestly though,
for our first time, I think it was really good.
I think having all four of us really helped because I feel like when people start to tap out, the other person might have just found the clue and they'd be like, oh
because
shit,
Chris was getting burnt out, yo.
Yeah, I was burnt
He
out.
was getting so burnt out. He's like,
find the clue and give you that extra boost for a couple minutes. Like, oh damn.
No, but I like it though. It's good. I was doing escape room again.
I honestly never did one because I didn't think it were fun, but that was fun.
Yeah, I think everybody gotta be. I think whoever you go with, you just gotta be. Everybody gotta be engaged.
Like,
though.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what make it fun.
that was cool.
Because me and Shay were talking about when he changed the other one, like the Texas one. When he changed the Texas one, he should have just did this one.
Yeah.
He waited until like the day, and
That's what make it so nutty.
weird.
Like,
Yeah, like you knew you was gonna change it.
What's the Eagles was coming here so bad?
Over there,
What team is that?
Broncos.
Yo, that's the carnival. Look.
Wait, is it open now?
Yes, they spinning.
Minute.
Can we go?
And it's nice outside.
That's a park, like the amusement park.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, I'm so excited.
They do like an amusement park. They got
I
water
want to be a
slides.
big ass kid, literally. Wait, what is it called? It's called
We don't even know.
Denver.
This right here.
What is it?
Oh,
What
Elitch
is it
Gardens. I think it used to be Six Flags and they changed the name.
TikTok real quick.
This is an all-day thing, not an hour thing.
I thought it was a carnival.
What's tomorrow's
I thought it
weather?
was too when I see the Ferris wheel. I'm not gonna lie.
We need desserts.
I just want plain ice cream. When Shay come here, she get a whole bowl made up.
Sorry, y'all. I just had to rudely interrupt. I just wanted to show some love. That raw wing, you know what it hit. That was the icing to the cake that we get like.
Yeah, that was the reason y'all even came out here.
Well, not really.
I know that, but I'm saying like the Denver game was added.
Right.
Like,
That was added.
imagine we didn't have the Denver game right now. We'd have been like this.
Damn.
What we gonna do? What we gonna do?
Yo, that would have been a beat.
Well, we'll be back in the house I got literally an hour. Like I said earlier, the Rod Wave concert is canceled. We really hurt. That's all we keep talking about. Like, damn, we salty. But we going to the game tonight, the Nuggets game. I don't know who they playing, but it's just something to do. So salty, bro, the Lulu, thinking Rod Wave was gonna make it to Colorado.
I take it there for you, I would care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Trying to run from that, say you're done with that on your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry. You won't ever have to
I'm back. But today is Sunday and we're supposed to be going to Rod Wave concert, but he canceled. I don't know how many times I said that in this video already, but they're out there watching the Eagles game. We do my skincare and then we're just gonna go out there and chill until we about to go to get something to eat. Probably go to Papa Do's. And then we're gonna go bowling. I had to take my lashes off this morning because they was just all over the place. Last night was crazy. Alright, but yeah, we about to go.
That's what you've been. I was blind, I was in it, I was bad. Oh, I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't ready.
Bad Bolero. I'm lit. Off of Papa Do's drink. Me and Craig gonna beat Jim and Sean.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Babe, and we gonna beat them?
Okay.
We gonna beat them, right? He can't even hear me. Babe, we gonna beat them, right? Yeah, especially cause Sean is down. Sean down bad.
Sean sleepy and Jim shitty, so.
A little too lit to be bowling. Babe about to be mad at me. Chill, eh? This light is so good. I love that for me. Let me turn it down. Bolero. Oh, I didn't get the. Oh, it's so hard being a content creator. So hard being a content creator. Let me turn this off. I don't want no attention on me. He talking this two night bullshit. Yo, you is a nut. You just had to try to come back on me, weirdo. I was busting your ass. You a weirdo. I was whooping their ass at first, and I just got tired. Keep playing again. I did my big one, okay.
They don't do that. You just throw the ball down the middle. Look.
The rain done took me out, but so we're back from bowling. That was fun. I was whooping the ass. Streak. They go home tomorrow, so unfortunately this does end the vlog. Rod Wave definitely ruined our weekend. We should have been at the concert right now singing I know you're not over me, but you look so good to me. Yeah, all in all, we did have fun this weekend. It was definitely a vibe. We always get excited when people come visit us, so we ain't even mad at it for real. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I'm definitely gonna vlog tomorrow, but that will be a whole different video, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and turn that bell on so you know when I drop. Thank y'all for watching my video. I really appreciate it.
But it's just best to be this way. All on my own, I can deal with my pain. I don't need nobody by my side, so it's just me, myself, and I.